Hey everyone, Alex Ionescu here. Welcome to Investor's Guide to the Galaxy. Morgan Stanley's Adam Jonas remains bullish on robotaxis, upgrades Tesla price target to $400. Tesla Cybertruck sold for $400,000 at the Petersen Automotive Museum auction tonight. Although before we start, if you find this video helpful, it would mean a lot to me if you crash the like button and subscribe to my channel. It's totally free and takes just a split second. If you want to show more appreciation, consider subscribing to my Patreon. Now, let's dive right into it. Tesla stock price today in pre-market down 1.54%. Year to date up 141%. Past year up 17%. Past 5 years up 1410%. Morgan Stanley Adam Jonas has released a new Tesla note in defense of robotaxis. The adoption curve of autonomous cars, robotaxis, will depend on a range of technological, legal, regulatory, and even moral ethical factors. But facts and events do change, and so must as analysts' views. While many obstacles remain, we believe the robotaxi will ultimately have its moment. This is an interesting fact. There were 42,795 traffic-related fatalities in the United States in 2022, down 0.3% versus 2021. Traffic-related fatalities will be a strong motive to legalize robotaxi as soon as possible. Valuation methodology and risks. Our price target of $400 is comprised of 6 components. $102 per share for core Tesla auto business on 7.8 million units in 2030, profit margin of 17.5%, Tesla Mobility at $81 on DCF with 600,000 cars at $1.8 per mile by 2030, Tesla as a third-party supplier at $41 per share, energy at $48 per share, insurance at $9 per share, and network services at $119. 23.6 million miles, $180 ARPU, by 2030, 50% discount. Risks to upside. Disclosure on service revenues. Increased FSD attach rate. Cost milestone on new battery. New model intro Cybertruck multivan semi. Third-party battery win, geographic penetration and new capacity, risks to downside, competition, legacy OEMs, Chinese players, big tech, execution risk, multiple factory ramps, market does not recognize Doja-enabled services op, lower than expected attach rate and RPU, China risk, dilution and valuation. Adam Jonas profile on tip ranks, success rate 50%, and average return 6.2%, average return per rating. From 2020, Adam Jonas was bullish on Tesla with only buy signals. I'm in the stock market for some time now. I noticed that these price target changes tend to be the opposite of what the stock price will do after this, on some stocks, not all. For example, when Tesla had very low price targets, the stock price went up. When Tesla had big price targets, stock price went down. What I mean to say, don't bother too much on stock price targets short term, because they tend to be wrong most of the time. I am a Tesla bull and I agree with Adam Jonas that Tesla stock will go to $400 sometime in the future, but difficult to predict when. What is sure is that Tesla is a strong company and investing in it is a good decision if you make that decision yourself to invest in. Not financial advice, I was wrong many times in the stock market. 20 best-selling EV models in the world in August 2023. First one, Tesla Model Y, 115,000 units. BYD Song, plug-in electric, 57,000 units. Tesla Model 3, the third position, 48,000 units. The first electric vehicle in this list after Tesla is BYD Seagull with 34,000 units sold in August 2023. It's very far from 48,000 Tesla Model 3 and 115,000 Tesla Model Y. Very far. Troy Tesla on Twitter. Tesla year-to-date registration in Europe have now reached 271,000 at the end of September. Based on the current trend, Europe is expected to be Tesla's fastest growing market this year, growing at 68% year over year, growing at 68% year over year. Sawyer Merit on Twitter, the low-VIN Tesla Cybertruck sold for $400,000 at the Petersen Automotive Museum auction tonight. Tell me, why would you buy a $400,000 Cybertruck? Why? I'd like to know your opinion on all of this. Please leave a comment below. If you like this video, please smash the like button so that other people like you see this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. I appreciate all of you that watch my videos. See you next time.